Hey everybody, State Representative Max Reimer here. I am here with
Representative Matt Bliss.
and Matt Bliss chairs the Veterans Affairs Committee down here in Minnesota. We have a really interesting bill that's coming down the pike. I authored it. It establishes a psilocybin therapeutic program for our veterans. And what we're hearing from veterans over and over again is that there needs to be an off-ramp, a creative off-ramp to treat PTSD and other ailments that our veterans come back home with, beyond just the typical pharmaceutical solution. And what we saw this past week was the Trump administration rescheduled a lot of these therapeutics. And so now in Minnesota, we're looking to respond to that and say that we want a different way for our veterans, a better treatment potentially for many of them that doesn't rely on getting them hooked on a drug, right? This therapy, sometimes you go in once a year or twice a year. It's not your granddad's mushrooms that we're talking about here. We're talking about an established therapeutic to help veterans with PTSD. And Representative Bliss, I just wanted to hear from you about what you're hearing on the bill.
Sure. I want to thank Max for bringing this bill forward. It's something I've been looking at for quite a while. You know, we lose about 100 veterans in Minnesota every year, 22 a day nationally, and we're not making any progress on that. And we need to step outside of the box and kind of find creative solutions. And what I like about this avenue is it's not an everyday, it's not an ongoing, it's a once or twice a year clinical setting treatment with some new type for natural remedies. And the president has seen fit to sign on to it as well and legalize it or normalize it nationally. And the story of Marcus Luttrell, the lone survivor, is a powerful one, and he actually took some of this in a different country, had to travel to a different country, and it changed his life. So this is a very, very promising drug, and we need to move forward with it, but cautiously.
And we're seeing some bipartisan support, so we'll keep you abreast on what happens with this bill and a number of other bills that are floating around here in St. Paul. Thank you.
Thank you.